Welcome everybody to Forward for Health. Today we're discussing 10 yoga poses for a better night's sleep. As you know, a good night of sleep is essential for your overall health and well-being. We'll go through each of these poses and discuss the benefits each one has for your sleep. 1. Child's pose. This pose will help reduce tension and relax the spine, which will make it easier for you to drift off to sleep. 2. Legs up the wall. This pose is great for relieving stress and reducing fatigue, allowing you to fall asleep faster. 3. Reclining bound ankle pose. This pose also releases tension in the body and helps you to relax. 4. Cat/cow pose. This pose is great for calming the mind and stretching the spine, which can help you to drift off to sleep. 5. Seated forward bend. This pose helps to relieve tension in the back and neck and can also help to reduce stress. It encourages relaxation and allows you to be able to drift off to sleep more quickly. 6. Corpse pose. This pose will help you to release any residual tension in your body and focus on calming your mind. 7. Supine twist. This pose helps to gently stretch the spine, which will make it easier to settle down and fall asleep. 8. Cobra pose. This pose helps to open the chest and promote a feeling of relaxation. 9. Bridge pose. This pose is great for relaxation and improving circulation to the brain, which will make it easier to fall asleep. 10. Warrior eye pose. This pose helps to relax the nervous system and allow your body to get ready for sleep. Try out these poses tonight and see if they help you drift into a better night's sleep. As always, thank you for tuning in. I'll see you next time.